I've always been fascinated by the patterns of history, especially when it comes to finance. And today, I want to take you on a journey through 300 years of financial history to reveal some surprising truths. You see, at Octa Virtual Hedge Fund, we're not your typical investment advisory. We study centuries of economic shifts to profit from today's changes. Why? Because the global system is moving away from artificial structures and back to systems built on real value. Let's start with a common belief. Stocks always go up. Sounds reassuring, right? But here's the thing. It's a myth. Historically, in redeemable currency systems, stock performance was actually pretty stagnant. The idea that stocks always rise is a modern misconception tied to our current foreign exchange reserve system. It's a bit like thinking the sun revolves around the earth. It seems true from our perspective, but zoom out and you see a different picture. Now let's talk about another assumption. The dollar's eternal dominance. Again, history tells a different story. Before 1922, trade imbalances weren't settled with foreign currencies. They used gold. And guess what? We're seeing a shift back to this system. It's like watching a pendulum swing back after nearly a century. So how do we apply this historical knowledge to today's market? Let's look at emerging markets. They're shifting away from US dollar-denominated debt. This isn't just a minor change. It's a seismic shift in how global finance operates. Fiscal dominance means a country owes so much money that its central bank can't raise interest rates enough to fight inflation. Why? Because higher rates would make the government's debt payments too expensive. So, the bank holds back, letting inflation stay high to avoid hurting the government's finances. Think of it as countries taking back control of their financial destinies. The shift has huge implications. It's not just about which currency is used. It's about stability, growth, and reducing vulnerability to external shocks. It's like countries are building stronger foundations for their economic houses, rather than relying on a neighbor's support. At Octa Virtual Hedge Fund, we're not just observers of these changes. We're active participants. Our team is uniquely positioned to navigate this evolving landscape. We're inviting you to join us on this journey. By understanding the past, we believe we can better shape the future of finance. Are you ready to challenge your assumptions and explore new financial frontiers? The Global Insider, pioneering insights for the fearless investor. Learn more at globalinsider.media.